Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to make up to 20 United States dollars by just completing KYC. As you can see here, Bitget organizes a campaign. In this campaign, if you are from UK, Canada, Australia, South Asia, the Philippines, Nigeria, and South Africa, by just completing KYC, you will get up to 20 USDT bonus. To get this bonus, first of all, you need to open a Bitget account. To register on Bitget, you can use the link below the description. After signing up to Bitget, you should get to campaign page, which I also leave the link in the description below, and click the Join Now button. After showing you guys all the process, let me also show you how to verify your account. First step, click the profile icon on the right of the page, and then click Identification button and complete the KYC process. Level 1 KYC verification is enough. For more information, please visit the campaign page. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Have a great day.